So today I was making some sort of bean salad. I got the taste that I wanted out of this, but the appearance left a lot to be desired, so let's call it bean slop instead. I start with some lentils, rinsed, put into a pan, filled with some water and then brought to the boil. While the lentils are boiling, I halved some cherry tomatoes, roughly diced an onion, and just put those in a bowl and put that to the side. Once the lentils had been boiling for about 10 minutes, I added a little more water, put a lid on and turned down the heat. I took a chicken breast, which I cut in half, and then rubbed with some smoked paprika and salt. I put some vegetable oil in a frying pan and then started to fry my chicken breast. At this point I thought the lentils must be nearly done, so I added a can of mixed beans into the pan with the lentils. I continued to fry the chicken breasts until those were almost done, and at this point I went to drain the beans and lentils and realised that I had horribly overcooked the lentils, which isn't really what I wanted, but hey. I added the beans and lentils into the frying pan with the chicken and then seasoned with salt and pepper, garlic granules, smoked paprika, cumin, and mixed herbs. Towards the end of cooking, I added half of the tomato and onion mix that I set aside earlier, and I'll keep the rest to use at a later time. Finally, I added a little vegetable oil and then turned up the heat just to finish off. Thanks for watching this video, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you again in a future video.